Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Hey, I received my roof rack that I ordered on Amazon, and I just wanted to make this video to show a quick assembly. It's pretty easy, actually very easy, no tools required. They sent a Allen wrench along, and that's all I needed, so they supplied the one tool and it was sufficient. And I have to say that the luggage rack is actually much better quality than what I expected. It's pretty heavy duty, and it also comes with a cargo bag that I really anticipated that it wouldn't last very long, that I would be getting rid of it soon and getting some boxes or something to put up there. But actually it's very, very heavy. I think it's very thick. It's supposed to be watertight, so I have high hopes on that cargo bag. I'll keep you posted on that. But I think it's definitely gonna do better than what I thought it would. And the whole rack is actually much stronger and more heavy duty than what I pictured. So I'm very pleased with my purchase. I'm going to leave a link to it in the video description if you're interested in getting one. Like I say, I got it on Amazon. But anyway, I got it installed. A buddy of mine from work came over and helped me set it on top of the Yukon. It's really not that heavy, but it is kind of cumbersome for one person to try and get up there, without scratching it up. I didn't want to get scratches in it, because then you have the possibility of rust forming where the scratches are later on. So thanks a lot, Bryant. I appreciate you coming over and giving me a hand. I'm sure I'll probably make another video later on once I get stuff put in it and get that cargo bag up there and anchored down. They come with, it comes with some pretty good straps to strap it down onto that rack. So I think it's going to be a good deal. But anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one. See you later. Bye. Oh, and at the end of this video, there will be some pictures of the final product installed on the top of the Yukon. you're still watching. Wow, thanks.